Okay, so this is our homework 3 project. It's a ladder logic PLC program.
So this PLC is running the code, and it has periods of 4 seconds. So the on button, when you press the on button, it waits 4 seconds to update and begin doing that. So it waits 4 seconds and then updates. However, the off button is instant in case of emergency. But again, if I press one of the on modes, it waits until the new period.
So when we turn it on, it output goes on. After clock cycle, hit off, goes off. And then off, on, we'll turn it on.
After the clock cycle.
Boom. That stays on indefinitely. Then turn off and we go into automatic mode. And it is currently in, what is that? I think 2 seconds?
3 seconds.
3 seconds? Okay. So 3 seconds on, 1 second off.
And that's controlled by the analog.
Yep, and controlled by the analog. So we turn it up and it should go into 2 seconds.
Oh, we
Or is that 1 second now?
Yeah, we went too far.
Okay, back down a little bit to 2 seconds.
You're at it.
Yeah, okay, so we're at 2 seconds. And then you can see we've gone past 10 cycles. So it's the yellow light has come on. If we crank it all the way up, it's going to go off. Yep. Turn it all the way back down, and it'll just stay on. And put up a little bit.
Pretty soon the
Red
red light
light's
should be
gonna
coming
come
up on.
There we go. There's the red light. So then for times we have, I'll bring it up here. So we're currently in 3 second mode, as you can see there. And then we turn it down, there's 4 seconds. Turn it back up. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second,
And then
off.
At that point, it's skipping that line of code.
Yep. And then down here, we have our counter, cycles counter, and it's currently at 17. So skip the yellow light, and it's currently at the red light. But it starts at 1, which is why it's 11, 16, and 17 is off by 1. So then here's where we measure what the voltages are. This one's 266, this is 348, this is 446, and this is 547. How we calculated that's in the document attached, but it's just 5.47 volts, 4.46 volts, 3.48 volts, 2.66 volts. We felt like that was the best way to describe the voltages.